We try to focus on the whole experience with the hiking, not only experience the nature, but also learning more about the culture and learning about the people living here, and also experience with the local lunch, which is quite delicious.
I'm feeling very good just being outside the nature, breathing the fresh air on such mountains is just making me feel good.
I found the experience really good. It's nice to be guided and nice to meet other people, nice to learn new things. So I find it really good.